students, how are you? All good? Great. So just look at the board and read what is written on the top. What is written on the top? Here. This is pronunciation. This is pronunciation, and under this topic we will learn about the subtopic. The subtopic, that is phonic sound of C as S and K. So in this topic we will learn when and how C will produce S sound and K sound. But before that, just read these words I am writing. So here, cot, car, cat. Now close your eyes and feel. Remember once again these words as cot, car, cat. The first sound these words are producing is k. K. So the first sound here C is producing, this is k. Words. Read these words. Cyber, city, cent. Cyber, city, cent. Once again, let's do the same activity. Close your eyes and once again recall these words. Cyber, city, cent. So feel what the first sound produced by letter C. So the first sound is S. So this is our topic, when C will produce S sound and C will produce K sound. Okay. Now students, I just want to tell you that our life is also having some rules, right? We all follow some rules. In the same way, English language also followed some rules. Okay? English language also follow some rules. So here the rules are: number 1 is when C is immediately followed A, O, U. When C immediately followed A, O, U, then sound of C will be K sound. Sound of C will be K sound. Right? जब C, A, O या U को follow करेगी, C के next A, O, U होंगे, तो कौन सी साउंड होगी? K साउंड. ओके? K साउंड. नंबर 2 is जब C के immediately after E, I, Y हो, E, I, Y हो, तो C will be S sound. Immediate sound of C will be S sound. Right? So, C से next E, I या Y हो तो E, I, Y हो तो साउंड बनती है स साउंड. ओके, साउंड होती है स साउंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल here cut, cut, car, cut. So C is following some rules. Here C is followed by A. C is followed by O. O, A, U. यहाँ पे देखिए C से बिल्कुल नेक्स्ट कौन है? O. C से बिल्कुल नेक्स्ट कौन है? A. C से नेक्स्ट U. तो कौन सी साउंड प्रोड्यूस हो रही है? क साउंड. कौन सी साउंड प्रोड्यूस हो रही है? क साउंड. So it is clear when C will be followed by O, A, U, then C produce K sound. In this next rule, we have discussed that C if C will be followed by I, Y, E, then C will be followed by I, Y and E. The sound of these words will be so, like city, cyber, cent. City, cyber, cent. City, cyber, cent. So here C is producing S sound. So students, I hope you will show your interest towards this topic. Now, if you like my video, then please click on the like button and also subscribe our channel. You will get some more interesting videos on English pronunciation. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.